differentiate x plus ln x divided with x minus ln x with respect to x. So for this function, we are going to use quotient rules because we have two different functions in terms of quotients. Then we're going to differentiate by writing the operator x plus ln x divided with x minus ln x, which is equals to vu prime minus uv prime divided with v squared. V x minus ln x u prime 1 plus 1 over x minus u x plus ln x, the v prime 1 minus 1 over x divided with the v squared, which is x minus ln x squared. We don't have any least common factor to factorize. It means that we need to expand x times 1, which is x times 1 over x, positive 1, negative ln x times 1, negative ln x, negative ln x times with 1 over x is negative ln x divided with x, minus x times 1 and times with negative is negative x, x times with negative 1 over x is negative 1, negative 1 times with negative is positive 1, ln x times 1 is ln x times with the negative, negative ln x, ln x times with negative ln x and times with negative 1 is positive ln x divided with x, divided with x minus ln x squared. Let us simplify. X minus x is 0. Negative ln x plus ln x over x is 0. And we're going to get 1 plus 1 is 2. Negative ln x minus ln x is negative 2 ln x. We may factorize this 2 and it's going to become 1 minus ln x divided with x minus ln x squared.